now going to Bali. See you! Going to Bali with these slippers. Nearly pedicure feet.
Maganda po yan.
The view outside is a pool, and then table. The bathroom. We have an outdoor bathroom. We have bathtub. We have the shower here. Oh, it's so pretty. So here's the kitchen. It's actually the first view that you're gonna see when you get inside the door. That's the main door. So we have 2-burner stove we can cook, and then we have a ref, toaster, and then someone's waiting here. Ganap na ganap siya.
Yun ang bukas ng pinto.
We're trying new stuff. Big ears. And I don't think we can eat it. But this is the one of their ang baho, baby. Hindi ko kaya. Nasusuka ko. This is one of their specialties. Nasty. Parang basta yung chicken ay pork skin. Look at that. Their iced tea is herbal. Parang may jasmine siya. And then we're gonna try this one. It has a foul smell though. But hindi naman siya very foul smell. Very pala.
Baho niya.
Kalokohan din kasi namin eh. Well, at least we're gonna try out.
Try lang.
Yeah, local food. Feeling ko yung mabaho dyan, ito oh. Kaya medyo may mabaho rin dito. Let's not eat it.
Hindi ko kaya.
Yeah, I don't think. How much was that?
70.
70,000.
That's like 200.
At least they have chicharon that we know. Trying out everything on our plate.
Sarap. Masarap.
Pero masarap naman kasi yung
baho niya lang talaga.
Yeah.
So, ano to?
Satay, satay.
Top to. Chicken satay.
We're going river rafting. White rafting. Today, for our first day, walang pagod-pagod. Sabak agad sa medyo masakit sa katawan na activity. And I'm so kawawa. Because my body is aching.
Gutom ko to eh, Max.
Dahil sa, ay may mga semplang na siya. Dahil sa aking monthly dalaw. Sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. And our activity today is river rafting. Well, we're not born quitters. Charot. We're strong. We're fighters. So let's fight. That's our motorcycle. Yo. Ken, this is your motor.
Turnikin ko eh.
He's nervous because it's left-hand driving. And in the Philippines, divides right. So we're in Red Paddle right now to do some rafting. Nagsasalaw na ako. We're in Red Paddle right now to do some rafting. We went here from our hotel or from our villa. It's 21 minutes away. We had to rent a motorcycle kasi ito lang yung i-DIY namin. Everything's booked privately sa Klook. Ito naka-book sa Klook pero wala siyang service kasi yung may service is morning lang. Eh gusto namin lunch na. Kahit nandito na kami ng mga 10 kanina. Day 1 of our adventure. What?
Ay, aso pala.
Kala ko ahas eh.
Ito ko mga dito.
We're going further down.
Grabe galing.
Yeah.
Bakit na natin kaya?
Kasi sobrang baba na ng ginagawa namin. So, not sure if we're going up back to that place. We bought a drink that's very refreshing. Rasha melon. Melon. Huh?
What?
Nanginginig yung tuhod ko pag nasa likod. Oh? Ha!
Can we sit here?
Okay. Oh, shit. Usog ka, baby.
Okay.
Nanginginig. Doon. Nanginginig na yung mga tuhod namin. Knees are really wobbling.
Pagod yun.
Yeah. Nanginginig na yung tuhod namin, swear.
Hindi siya trekking eh. Hiking na halos yun.
Yeah. Look at that. So, from Tuktok, I'm not sure ilang feet yun. Gano'n tayo kataas kanina.
Sabi namin.
Yeah. Pero, so haggard. Wala, namumula na from the helmet. Grabe yung pawis namin because of the hike. This is really hard. Nanginginig yung tuhod namin. Kasi ang tataas talaga nung hakbang na laki. I'll show you. Adventure, our first water experience in Bali. First day. Yeah. Maalon. Ma-current, it's very strong. Matataog na tayo.
Naligo kami sa fall. Oh, kabanggaan na po. Gagi. Woo!
Now we're back to the land. That was tiring, but that was so fun. How do I look like? This is how I look like after the rafting. It was so fun, but it was also tiring. That's 10 kilometers.
You want this?
Yeah. We paid for this.
Yeah.
We did not know if there's a buffet after. Yeah.
Bigla may pagkain na ganito.
Yeah, let's go.
Gutom na rin kami.
Truly. Dinner tonight is pizza, milkshake, and fries. Our additional food, quesadilla, beef. Good morning, Bali. It's our second day today, and we have lots of places to visit. We just finished eating our breakfast here. And our call time, our driver, or our private tour will pick us up at 9 a.m. So we still have time. So he's stretching. Look at him. Hi, good morning, Bali. the best sound. Nature. And then, chill mornings. Also, this is what we love the most. Chill mornings, 10 hours of sleep. Susunduin ka ng driver from your area. What else? Or what more to ask for? Right. This is the ultimate vacation. And it's just our day 2.
Good morning. Today we're going to Tanalat.
Tanalot.
Then,
Padang Beach.
then Firelands, Kekak.
Kekak. And then there's another one. Okay. Listen na. Bag. Yan na, makakabili na akong bracelet. My accessories. Oh, Evil Eye! Gumba niya kasi, no? Isang gelato. Thank you! Ito. We got mixed berries and salted caramel. How was the mixed berries?
Lasang bulaklak.
That's his flavor. He tried. He wanted to try that. At least I got something that's common for us. That's their offertory. Offertory. Because they're, diba? Hindus. That's for Hinduism. Nag-offer sila for prayer. So, full moon kasi kagabi, kahapon. Sakto nga. So, we heard them praying. We saw a lot of offertories from them. Which is good because we wanted to see the culture rin, no?
Yeah. Pero medyo pag di ka familiar.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, may mga ritual na nangyayari.
Yeah. But it's very,
Pero sa religion ba?
it's a good, experience. Cultural immersion. But look at us. We're sweating a lot. Good thing we bought this. We brought this. Favorite purchase. Ooh, so pretty. Is that your treat?
Huh?
Is that your treat?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks for buying me bag. I love bags.
Okay na yan kasi nasa airport.
Here in Warung Babi Guling. I think WR is for Warung. And Menlari in Changu. Or in Changu. Their food for us, it's a hit or miss. Na walang pwede na. It's either you like it or you're not gonna eat it. Hopefully it's good. This is our food that's included in the tour. It's their babi guling, of course.
Ano to? Longganisa?
I don't know.
Cup?
Really?
Cup yung parang longganisa nila.
Okay, good.
lang.
Spicy nga rin tayo, pero sarap. And then we have, I don't know what this is. Their food, our food today is so good. I like it. It's spicy, lechon, spicy, yummy. It's good. I like it. When going to Padang Beach, you have to go through this. I'll remove my shades so I can see better.
Doon na.
We're here in Padang. Hi. This is my boyfriend putting on some sunblock. We're currently in Padang Beach to do some swimming and chill. We ordered gin tonic for me and my boyfriend some piña colada. Just waiting for that.
Nagpapatan ako ngayon kasi medyo may shoot kami na kailangan medyo maitim ako.
Whatever, you have sunblock on.
Strawberry daiquiri.
How was it?
It's good. Sarap sa'yo.
Mine's piña colada.
Kailangan ko na ng change.
Look at our island food.
Yeah. I love it. I'm so hungry.
Like, how much is this in peso?
Yan dalawa, 355
Pesos.
Yan dalawa.
Both.
Yeah.
Hahaha.
Look at that.
For
Mas mura dito kaysa sa
355
Pinas.
pesos.
Kaysa sa Siargao.
Yeah. Swim. Trying out the bad water for the first time!
First time ko mag-beach sa ibang bansa.
Same.
Oh. Sarap. Bilis na lumaling.
Really, like, they just roam around there. There are like 100 of them. And we're back here in our car. In the car that we have for today. Just finished swimming at Padang Beach. Now we're going to, I forgot the name, but it's for the sunset. Uluwatu Temple for the sunset. Now going to the Uluwatu Temple for the sunset, right?
Yeah.
This is for the sunset. Best sunset view.
It's for the sun.
Is this okay already, mine?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
So let's wait
There.
at the monkey station.
I'll wait for you. Okay. Going to the Uluwatu Temple. We can't... Temple. We can't go inside without the belt for women. I was actually wearing shorts, but then good thing I have my own skirt, so I used it. And then now I have to wear a belt. With Ivan, I believe they can't show their legs, so I can show skin up there. You can't show your legs, so Ivan needs to wear like this.
Yeah, because I'm too sexy.
They want some food,
They want some food, I see.
some stuff, and then they change.
Oh yeah. Ayun pa. We have to be very quiet here and very careful because the monkeys are aggressive. So, yeah. Just a quiet walk because of the monkeys.
It's a fat
Uluwatu Temple sunset. We saw one monkey steal eyeglasses. No? Not
Buti nga
sunglasses.
hindi sinuot.
Eyeglasses yung steal niya. I don't know why. But like what they said, monkeys here are very aggressive. Is there another one inside?
Because mate.
Maybe
It got in.
Hi, white monkey. Hi.
It's married so that we can make. Dito ka sa harap eh. Ayun, namarap na siya dito. Hi!
accessible.
Hi! Dati ko ang small pa, pasunod sa'yo ha. And it's one to send to They're visiting the...
Kumukuha ng pagkain.
They're getting food. So we're here in Uluwatu Temple for the Kechak Fire Dance. It's Kechak. Akala namin Kekak. It's Kechak Fire Dance. The most unique type of Balinese dance. Not accompanied by any musical instrument. Instead, it's accompanied by a choir of around 70 men. It's a sacred dance. Jember. Currently in Jember.
Okay, thank you.
Currently in Jimbrian for dinner. Jimbrian is the home for seafood. That's what they said. So let's have the best dinner in Bali. Yeah.
This sambal is from coconut oil.
Oh, okay. Coconut oil with some chili.
Yeah, chili and onion.
Onion. We're done in Ayu Valley. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.